I bought a new boat, new to me, but it's 2020. I'm pulling out and I'm going to share the video where I'm doing the bottom cleaning because it's been in the water almost like 7 months now. So let's see how the bottom comes out. So I'm going to go get the boat. So the boat is here. It's not so bad after all this time in the water. A good bottom paint makes a big difference. Not bad at all. Just a little bit in the back, and that's about it. And we're gonna power wash this. I'll show you how it looked like. Totally clean. Was not that dirty. I just want to show you the bottom. Some of the areas, you know. So power washing does help. Looks pretty clean. So I'm going to do another video on this boat. This is new to me, but it's a 2020 Velcraft. 24.2 feet. With that being said, I'm gonna end this video and hopefully stay in touch with you guys and do some of the videos on the maintenance. I have to change the oil on this, and I'm gonna do a video on that. Till then, take care. Bye bye.